Mother Nature is constantly purifying the air we breathe. But how? Thunderstorms, wind, and lightning purify outdoor air by removing fine particles and other impurities. Ultraviolet energy from the sun purifies air by removing germs, odors, gases, and other contaminants. The result is clean, pure, healthy air. Unfortunately, Mother Nature's processes that occur naturally outdoors aren't present in our indoor environment. In fact, we've made great efforts to keep Mother Nature out of our homes by sealing windows and doors to make buildings more energy efficient. Without adequate ventilation, pollutants such as insecticides, paints, cooking odors, and deodorizers become trapped indoors, which can make contaminant levels even worse. A typical central heating and cooling system recirculates over 1 million cubic feet of air each day. That air includes unfiltered dust particles, germs, gases, and contaminants that we breathe over and over again. When we breathe this kind of air, it can cause allergic reactions and triggers more serious health problems like asthma and respiratory ailments. The solution is to treat the cause, not the symptoms, with a complete indoor air cleaning strategy. Pristine Air can help you control all types of airborne contaminants and create a cleaner, fresher, and healthier indoor air environment. Get the same results inside as Mother Nature gets outside. Safe, reliable, and affordable high-efficiency air cleaning products made for the way you live.